Okay, guys, after multiple requests related to the application portal of this university, Binus University, Nusantara admission, I reach out the university, so they send me the application guide, full application guide. So in this video, of course, I will share with you all the steps. We have multiple steps here, and you have to know all these steps. So that you see, it's 5 pages. You have to know all these steps so that you don't miss anything, and also apply as soon as possible, because this scholarship is first come first serve. The university sent me an email today, just 1 hour ago, to remind me about the application deadline if you would like to be considered for this coming Saturday's online test. Okay, before we start the application guide, I would like to walk you through to the email that they sent me. I will show you right now so that you see. As I told you, I'm in touch with this university. We have been exchanging emails recently, you see. So here is the email, the latest email that they sent you. You see, they sent me, you see here, just at 1 hour ago. So they say, "Dear Mamadou, hope you are doing well. Just quick email to confirm is in which section the student has been filling in the portal, or could you inform the username so that we can check? Kindly keep in mind to complete the portal by Wednesday. This coming Wednesday is just 2 days. Last time they told me Tuesday, but I told them the students are struggling related to the application process. So they now send me it will be on Wednesday so that you join the online test. And how it will be also, the online test is just sorry. The online test consists of English, listening, reading, sentence structure, and aptitude test, and logical reasoning. I already shared this with you last time. Yeah, this is how the test will be. It's just English language test and also logical reasoning. Okay, so the test, once you start the application, of course, contact the university. As you can see here, they can help you input the voucher code, because I will show you in the payment step, you need to make payment. However, as you are applying as soon as possible, and also you would like to be considered for this scholarship, you make sure that you contact the university before. So once you arrive until this step, payment, here the step 1 of application fees payment, you reach out them, you send them your username, email. Okay, your username, email, and here are the details that you need to input so that you get in touch with them. So this is the email, you see here. This is the email of the one in charge of this scholarship at this university. Okay, the only one that you need to contact, or you contact them through WhatsApp here. This is the email, this is the WhatsApp number of the one in charge. Okay, so before you start the application, so that they know they notice that you have started the application. So once you reach the payment, you just send them your username and also ID. But please make sure that you stay until the end of this video, so that you get all the information, because I have received many questions. I cannot answer all of them. That's why I reach out to them, and also have this full application guide to share with you. Okay, and know that this is from exactly the university, so everything is official from the university. Okay, so I hope some of you have already started the application. So this one, you need to use this link, which is will be available in the video description. And yeah, you use this link to go directly on online. You choose Binus Education once you start the application. Okay, you will receive something like this part here. You see, it's three different parts. So you start from here. You use Binus Higher Education here, like this. So after that, you click, you put your name, your email, your password, and you confirm the password. Then you click on I have read and agreed with the privacy policy provided by Binus. Okay, then you click on next. Once you do that, directly they will send you an email to your sorry, they will send you an email, okay, to confirm and activate your account that you are using for Binus University admission. Okay, so Binus Higher Education University as well. So you will see here directly, once you activate the account, you will receive this one. You will directly save it in your portal. Okay, so once you have done this one, you log in. So if you, for example, you cannot you don't know Bahasa Indonesia, you need to change the language into English. So you come to the right top here at the application page. Okay, you click on English. You will see directly here you did not yet put your photo, but of course I will show you how to do that also. Okay, because in the other video I've already shared with you the different document that you need to provide. So if you don't know that, go back and watch the latest video about this scholarship. It's already there how many documents they are provided. Okay, so after that you click on English. So you come here to select your program of study. You select S2 if you are applying for bachelor degree. If you are applying for master, you click on S2 for the postgraduate program. Okay, so after you do that, the account information, now you need to provide this different information. So you choose whether you are Binusian or non-Binusian. So if, for example, you are not a student, of course you are not a student if you are international student. So you click on non-Binusian part. Okay, so you put on your personal information related to the date of your passport. If you cannot handle it to make the date of your expiry of the expiry of your passport, you just put today's date. They will manage it later to put the date of your passport expiry. Okay, but if you can do it, just make sure you do it. Okay, so if you have Indonesian kitas, you are already in Indonesia and you would like to apply for this scholarship, you use your kitas. So for the education background tips, so you need to input your name, which is the name of nomor mahasiswa, which is name. Okay, however, this is not mandatory to fill. So if you finish that one, you come to general high school, SMR. SMR is general high school. If you are applying for undergraduate study, you click on general high school. Okay, you will see this part like this. Okay, so if you are applying for program for master degree, you click on undergraduate. If it is postgraduate program you are applying for. After you are done with this one, to choose your program, now please see the picture as example here. You see these are two pictures here. So you choose graduate S2 if you want to apply for S2 master degree. If you are applying for bachelor degree, you click of course for S2. Okay, for your information, the only master degree program that are entirely taught in English are business management, professional program, and strategic management. So if you would like to apply for master's degree, know that the only program that are taught in English are only the master in management and also the master in strategic management. Okay, so after that you click on next. Last but not least, as you say, you need to complete your parent and sibling information here. As I told you last time in the video that I did, you need to provide your information, the information of your parents. Okay, so you need to put all the passport if they have, or the unique or the ID card of your family member into one single PDF. You scan it, you put it into your laptop, so that once you start application, when you arrive to account information, you will put the information of your family, which is the ID. Okay, once you finish this one, now you will arrive to the enrollment track. For this one, you choose regular admission. Once you choose that, now you choose the program. So as you have already choose S2 and also the program, you will see it will be automatically shown here, your program that you have already choose. So you just click on next. Okay, so once you finish entrance location, so you choose any option, nearest city. So but for you it will be just online. Okay, so for the document upload, how to upload the document successfully. So we'll have different documents that need to be submitted. So first one, you need to browse the document that you want to upload. I have already shared with you the document that you need to be uploaded, but also here they are the document here. Okay, so but do not drag the document. For example, taking a document from your phone, your laptop, and sending it on the application portal. Don't do that. Just go to upload and then you upload it. If you have several pages for a document, you compile them into one single PDF. And you make sure that all the documents are in English language. Okay, if not, you just translate them into English or Bahasa Indonesia, of course. So for family card, as family card is a family record, as I told you, that show information of each of your family member. If you do not have this kind of document, as I said, please compile them into one single PDF of your family members, including passport or ID in English. You put them all in English into one PDF. Okay, for postgraduate applicant, make sure you click the orange button recommendation to put your referee name. So if you are applying for undergraduate, you don't need recommendation letter. Okay, please inform them that Binus will send an email to request a recommendation for you. Okay, so for the recommendation for those who will apply for master's degree program, they need a recommendation letter, but not a letter. You just need the email of the people who will recommend you, and then Binus will send them an email. Okay. So after that, you click on next. So for recommendation here, you see, you click here, you just input the email of your of the one who will recommend you. Okay, then you click on next. So application fee payment, this part is really very important. So it's at this moment that you need to contact the university. I already shared with you the email and also the WhatsApp number of the one in charge. Once you would like to send it to them, just tell them that you got the information from me, of course, that you are applying for this scholarship, that I told you they are coupon code that's still available, and you would like to get a fees waiver. Okay, tell them that. Okay, so once you do that, they will you will do that by sending them your user name, email, and also the username, email. So after that, they will directly input the voucher so that you get exempted for the application fees. If not, you will directly pay the fees at this stage. Okay, so after that, you have the letter of statement. You also need you need to read and understand our Binus student application. You need to click on check, and also the system will give you an OTP code to your email, and you need to input the code to the portal. Okay, so that's exactly how it should be. Letter statement of statement, you need to read and understand as a Binus student. You read it and you understand it. Once you are done with it, you just click on it, and then it will send you an OTP code. So after that, what remains now is the entrance test for this first step one. So this part is a confirmation, and you do not need to do anything, but you just need to see all your document is not verified. Do not worry, as the admission team will check it later. So you need to check that all the documents that you provided on this portal are exactly your own document. There is no any mistake, because if not, it will reduce your chance of getting selected, because they will know that you do not master it and you cannot do it properly. Okay, so the second step is a day before your entrance test, you will receive an email invitation around late afternoon. If until 7 p.m. Jakarta time you still did not receive, you need to reach out to them. Okay, you need to check. If you did not still receive it, you need to contact them and tell them that you did not receive your email related to your online test. Okay, so some tips for the test. Please make sure you have a smartphone. You download the Binus admission test app. So there is an app of Binus admission test. You need to go to Play Store or Google or in the internet, of course Play Store if you are using Android, and other one, those app store that if you are using iPhone or something. Okay, you download the Binus app admission test app. You will use only that thing. So you need to, this link also I will use it, I will leave it under the video description, so that you go use this link to download the application the application test admission test app. So you need also a laptop. Don't use it on your phone, okay, or it will just how's the name, if you will be using the laptop, you need to use this link to get the app also as well. Of course, you can use your phone. So the result for the test will be on Wednesday afternoon, and you can check step 2 result. Okay, it will be like this. You see, you will have username, your profile summary, step 1, step 2, tuition fees payment, you already passed that one, registration, applying for Binus Square. So if you pass the test, you will receive a conditional offer letter from us. Please complete the tuition fees within a week after you receive the email, if you did not get the scholarship, because as I told you, this scholarship is not a fully funded scholarship. They will not give living allowances monthly. So some program also are partial scholarship, so you need to pay some fees if you do not get the full scholarship. Okay, so then complete each sect as shown in the picture, from tuition fees payment, exemption information. The more you postpone the step 2, the longer you will receive your student ID. So once you finish all these steps, now is the last step. Lastly, after you complete all sections in step 2, go to step 3, and here you can order your student card, where you can see your student number and Binusian ID, and also uniform. If the option of ordering these two is not yet opened in the portal, you can check regularly your portal to see if the option has been opened. And then after that, congratulations and welcome to Binus family. Please expect all the information for them for the orientation and also preparation before your class starts. Okay, so that's it all for the application. I hope I went through it. If you don't understand, get back to the video, watch it again until you understand everything. So after this, I would like to show you the program that are available at this university. Okay, so let me, because they also send me the different program that they have that is available in this university, so that you know how you can apply. Okay, so undergraduate program, for example, is the same program, is the same university and the same program that they have. If they have a program that has that has a master's degree, bachelor degree, know that the same program has a bachelor degree as well, a master's degree as well. Okay, so let's give it time to load properly. Okay, so you will see the different program, but you know that this university has partner university in the UK, so you will get double degree. Okay, you will get a double degree, and it's also a top university in Indonesia, so there is no need to worry too much about if it is a legit university or something like that. So these are the different programs that are available. You see here, bachelor program, they have business information system, business management and marketing, computer science, digital business, finance, and international business. So these are the programs available for bachelor degree, and also graphic design and new media, interactive digital media. Okay, so if you are the one paying your tuition, these are the amount that you will pay, you see. But if you get the scholarship, of course there will be discount. Okay, so there is also estimation for the tuition fees if you would like to get a double degree, but if not, you just study with the one that you applied for in Indonesia. Okay, so these are the accommodation fees if you are, because there is no accommodation also. So single occupation will be 2,500, and single premium will be 1,700. Living cost estimated, you see, per semester. For the books, 150 leisure, health insurance, telex, visa, Vitas, ITS, 200. So as required, it will be 3,945. So this scholarship, as I told you, is not a full scholarship. They don't check your flight. So if you, for example, you are taking the flight ticket from your country to Jakarta, you need to arrange it with the university so that they provide help for you on how you can book your flight. Okay, double degree airfare living cost different as arranged, BPA program, mandatory field trip or overseas based on program requirement, art supply based on requirement, remedial, take graduation fees. So all these fees will be told you after you apply and then you get the scholarship. They will tell you what the scholarship cover and what the scholarship does not cover, and from that you will know either you will apply, either you will continue with them, or you will apply to another scholarship. I hope this video helped you. If so, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe, as people used to say, so that may other YouTube also recommend this video, and also it will reach other people who might be interested. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.